The Quranly app. Subscription cheaper than Netflix, encouraging Quran reading, modern, engaging and fun. Download it today.
That's a genius.
You know, Victor, this is ironic as well. And this is another claim that I'm going to make now as well, which is Islam is the only religion that claims that it has sayings of the Prophet preserved. Yeah? In fact, we have an entire science called the science of hadith sayings preservation. And we can confidently say we have 40 to 60,000 sayings of the Prophet compiled in 50 different books. Each person that's in the chain, this narrator gets scrutinized. Who's the father? Which tribe is he from? Who did he study with? How long did he study? What was his memory like? Was he a liar? Did he practice his faith? What did he do? All of these things. In fact, yesterday I was reading a book by Mustafa Azmi on the introduction of Sahih al-Bukhari. It was one of the compilations of the hadith. Yeah, Bukhari is probably ranked second after the Quran. And the stringent criteria that he had is exceptional. One exceptional masterpiece he had. And the preservation, in fact, Victor, I'll be so confident and bold to say Christians will never make this claim, neither will Jews or Sikhs or Hindus, that they have a chain of narration that they can scrutinize, that they can tap into, and biographies. In fact, there's a hadith scholar called Darqutni. He said, because in these chains there are 20,000 narrators, yeah, give and take. And he says, if all of these 20,000 narrators were standing in front of me, I can tell you their name, I can tell you their father's name, I can tell you their tribe, I can tell you if they're reliable or not. So this is Darqutni, and his compilation isn't even regarded as the top 6. Like, he doesn't even come in the top 6. Imagine now the top 6.